going to show you guys how to make a buttonhole. So we're going to use the 4-step buttonhole foot, which is this one. And then what you're going to need is your button. So you'll need this for the size of your button. So on your fabric, using a water erasable pen, you'll mark the size of your button. So mark the top and the bottom, just like that, and then remove it.
And Sharon's going to make 2 buttonholes, so she's going to mark one here as well, because just now she's going to show you how to do a corded buttonhole as well.
And another one here, the top and the bottom. Alright, and then now what we will need to do is change the foot of our machine to a 4-step buttonhole foot, which is we're going to drop it and then remove this one and replace it with this foot here. So just try and get the thread away from the button and then use your fabric.
Turn your dowel down, so all your needle will go your dowel.
Oh yes.
Turn it down and up, and now slide your fabric through, and that brings your threads to the bottom.
I almost
so they're
forgot
out the
about
way.
that, hey?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Forget
All right.
about these things because you
So
do it
now
so
we're gonna use the 4-step buttonhole setting. So we're gonna start on the first step of 4 steps, and then on your stitch length it should be between 0 and 1, which is for the buttonhole. And then first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna place our fabric on the foot. So we just move this forward and then put down our foot. And then you said I shouldn't pull the fabric, right?
Never pull your fabric.
All right, so here goes. Let's
You put
see.
it on number 1
Yeah,
over here, and that's the first step of your buttonhole.
Right.
So it goes down.
there we go. And then stop and then bring your needle up to its highest position and then do number 2, step 2, and then that's the loop. And then keep your needle to its highest position and then do number 3. So this is going back up, right? And then when you get to the top, stop and go back number 4 and the loop, and stop and lift up your foot, and then you can cut that off, and that's how you make your buttonhole.